Natural ways to make your home smell amazing. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. There's something about a clean, fresh-smelling home that feels a little like heaven, but most of us also don't want to go to town on harsh chemicals to keep it that way. Luckily, there are plenty of ways to make your home smell great naturally, and many of them include things you likely already have around the house. Basically, a good-smelling home can also help us de-stress, and who doesn't need that? If you're looking for ways to have a great-smelling home naturally, whether because you love amazing scents but don't want a dose of chemicals, or are even just looking for ways to feel calmer, here are some natural helpful tips to go about it. Number 1. Open a window and catch the breeze. The simplest trick is to simply open a window or door and let some fresh air in, especially when the weather is nice. Sunlight also helps kill smells, so let some light in when it's sunny out. Number 2. Clean with fruit. Did you know you can clean with lemon juice? You can use it to clean the shower and remove soap scum and linus scale, as well as combine lemons with baking soda to clean the toilet and leave your house smelling lemony and fresh. Number 3. Make your own room spray. You can make a super easy air freshener spray out of lime juice, water, and baking soda, which neutralizes smells and will leave your house smelling great. It's not expensive to make and it's completely natural. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. Number 4. Bake something. Bake some delicious cookies, brownies or cake, and your house will not only smell great for any guests you're having over, but you also get the bonus of having cookies or cake to eat. Number 5. Flowers. Buy a bouquet of flowers and leave them on your counter, dining room table or coffee table. Not only are they pretty to look at, but they will also make the room smell great. Number 6. Grind coffee. Buy coffee beans, preferably organic and fair trade, and grind them yourself. Not only does it taste better, but it will make your house smell fantastic, too. And lastly, number 7. Make herb sackets. Get some small cotton or muslin bags and fill them with your favorite dried herbs, flowers and spices, and place in drawers to make your clothes smell good, instead of buying artificially scented drawer closets and diffusers. A fresh-smelling home doesn't have to mean a million mystery chemicals or buckets of bleach. A few creative solutions can leave your house smelling amazing, and oftentimes will make for super inviting home accents as well. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out 7 awesome natural ways how to clean your kitchen. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products.